What's going on, y'all? Every penny counts. I got a new site for y'all. New site alert. New site alert. This is called Earnhoney. All right. Now, this is really for those of you who like to watch videos and to get paid for them passively. This is the site for you. Okay. Now, you see these, this watch and earn section. All these different tabs. They have 8 different ones you can choose from. And you just basically watch videos. That's all it is. It'll just continue to run all day. One thing I love about this site is that there's no time limit. It'll never, like, every 10 minutes. It won't ask you if you're a robot. Like, that video will just continue to play all day until you tell it to stop. That's what's so great about it. All right. You can click on any one of these tabs, but you have to have a Facebook account for some reason in order for it to work. I'm gonna show you how that works real quick. Let me show you my balance real quick to show you that I'm making money with it. Right there, that's equivalent to $4.04. All right, now 9, that's a ninth of a penny. They call it opt-in, but you can just look at it as like every 1,000 points or whatever is basically $1. So right there, I got $4.04. You can cash out at $5 through Amazon. You have PayPal, of course. They got lots of different ones. Well, let me show you real quick before I show you how the videos work. Go to redemption. You see here they got the Visa gift card, the little virtual one. Opt-in, honestly, I'm not sure what that is. I don't ever get it. I'm not really sure why they even call their money opt-in, like it says there. But like for me, I just always do the same ones, which is, let me kind of clear so you can see. That'll be opt-in right there. And I got Amazon and I got PayPal. Okay. Those are the different ones you can cash out with. I know a lot of you like, Amazon and PayPal. So as long as they have those, we're good. And you can also donate to charity if that's something you're interested in. Okay, now let me show you how this site works. I go to watch and earn. Okay, this is where you're going to make a bulk of your money just with these tabs, and you can choose any one of them. All right. Now, like I said, you have to have a Facebook account for this order in order for this to work smoothly. So just to give you an example, I'm going to click on this one. Now, you can click on any one of them. A tutorial of how it works will pop up, but I'm going to show you how to do that real quickly. You want to go over here to go there now. Okay, you click on that. Now you should be logged into Facebook already. If you're not, make sure you are, and your Facebook page will automatically pop up. Okay, so you see here, mine is popping up right now. Once it loads all the way, bam, now you see here it's popped up. That's the little tab that is running through, and all you do is click watch video. Okay. Now, when you watch video, it'll take you to the actual video playing page where to go through. But for some reason, it goes through Facebook. And here it is. And right there, that'll come up and it'll say watch exclusive clip. Where is that at real quick? Or sometimes they start playing automatically. Now, I don't really want to let that play because sometimes they're really strict on how they work with their ads or whatever. But you saw how I just basically clicked on watch video and it popped up. Sometimes it'll tell you watch exclusive clip, and that's basically you just click on that and it'll let the videos play. Sometimes it'll just pop up automatically and start playing, which is cool, which was just what happened when it started playing. But you saw it started playing and it continues to play all day until you tell it to stop. There's no thing that tells you, or asks you, are you a robot? Nothing like that. Okay, so just that simple. You just let them play and it shows you how much each video is worth. Okay, now this is basically like like you see that 0.03, that's like a third of a penny for each video, and you just let it play all day. That's how they show you for each one of them. For some, you can only complete 50 a day, but the other ones that don't say that, you can just run them endlessly. All right, I like to try the Buzz TV ones just because the videos are fairly short. All the videos are like a minute long at the most. They don't really take that long. And like I said, Buzz TV and the Buzz Auto reviews, those are the ones I like, just to click on. I feel like I have a lot of success with those, but you can do any one of them. It really depends on you. Okay. Now, for those of you who are interested in making a little bit more money with this site, let me show you how you do that. And you'll basically scroll down to the bottom of the site, and it has even more ways. You see here, check for premium offers. This is where it has surveys or whatever. You click on I'm not a robot, and it'll pop up and show you other ways that you can make money with this. They actually have offer walls, which a lot of people don't even know about this site, Earnhoney, because most people know it for videos. Okay. Now you see here, Peanut Labs, they have Offerturo, different offer walls you can choose from. Okay. I think they have, 8 different ones? Yeah, 8 different ones. These the same offer walls you see on other get paid to sites. Another thing I want to stress, Peanut Labs, okay? What I always tell you about Peanut Labs, they offer you something even if you get disqualified. So you should always go through and do all your Peanut Lab surveys if you really want to make a lot of money, because I get a lot of people that ask me, oh, how can I make, $300 a week? How can I make $500 a week? In order to do that, you have to really work at it. You have to do all these opportunities that are available to you. When you're letting these videos play, let them play in the background and you play on some of these offers, get money through the offers. That way you're just constantly building your accounts up. That's what it's all about. If you really, the more money you want to make, the harder you have to work. And it's not hard work. It just requires a lot of effort. Okay. So like I said, you do that and it'll pay you for Peanut Labs. It'll pay you a penny for every one that you disqualify for. Okay, now Peanut Lab surveys, they aren't that long and they're not really hard to qualify for. The more you do, the more you actually qualify for in the long run. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it's all about. Qualifying for surveys, making money, and watching this video or watching videos with this whole entire site. Okay. Now you can also do this on your phone. If you like to have an Earnhoney app, you can download that. You can use these different ones. The app, honestly, it doesn't really work as good as the website, but you can always try it. You can make money with the website, the app, and do surveys all at the same time, really building your account up faster. Okay. Like I said, you can cash out at $5 with this site. I have $4.04, so I can need about 96 more cents. I'm able to cash out with this site, and it's just that simple, y'all. I mean, it's a very easy site to use. You see here different things you can do. Watch and earn, the offers, give your opinion. Those are the surveys I was talking about at the bottom, and just take off with it. Now you see there that one opt-in that equals 10 cents. So that's how they basically go about with their withdrawal process. But very easy site to use. You just watching videos, you do some offers here and there, do some surveys, build your account up, determine how much money that you want to make, and then just kind of go from there as far as figuring out how much that you want to make with this site in particular. I have lots of different sites. I encourage you all, I strongly recommend to sign up for all of them, because the more you sign up for, the more income streams you have. Look at each site and each website, each phone app as an income stream. And the more you sign up for, the more income streams you have. That's what it's all about. Just really building your account up, putting more money in your bank account so you can have more money to do things like save, get out of debt, go on vacation, pay bills, everything that, we all as adults have. Even if you're a child, you don't have any bills. That's great. Jump in these sites anyway. Start building your account up. I mean, you know how lovely it would be for me to have found this at like 13, 14 years old when I didn't have any bills and my parents basically, gave me everything. And I could, do these different sites and have money in my account. You know how great that would be, just to show my friends like, hey, I'm making money with this. You should do this too. Because, that age around 13, 14, where you really can't get a job, but you really want to start making money but nobody will hire you because you're not old enough. This is what you would do. So all those of you who are, underage, as far as like you're not able to get a job or you're even unemployed, this is these kind of things you have to jump on, these sites, these websites, getting paid to do different things like watch videos and do surveys. All right. So like I said, the site is called Earnhoney. Sign up in the description so you can get that bonus and really get your account off to a good start. That way they can throw you more money making opportunities with that link. So sign up under the link today and get paid. Just that simple. Just make $5 with it. Cash out immediately. It goes into your bank, to your PayPal account, and from there you put it into your bank account. And it's a real $5, not anything fake. All of these sites that I'm showing you are legit. I've been paid by them. That's why I'm showing you proof. That's why I always like to show you how much I have in my account so you can see that I'm actually using it. I'm not just, just showing you a new site with not even trying it myself. I actually have money in it. All right. So sign up today. Links in the description. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested in making money online for free. Like, share, and comment, all of those. I try to get back to everybody that comments to me. And, we can just start building this community together, really making money. All right. You know me, every penny counts. Sign up and get paid today. Peace.